So guys, if you also see a phone number error in cursor, like you have to put your mobile number again and again to claim your free trials again and again, then guys you are at the right place. In this video I'm going to solve that problem. Okay, so make sure to subscribe our channel if you like this video, then only. So what you have to do guys, you have to open a previous account where you have mentioned or added your number. Okay, so let's say I opened that account. Now what I will do, I have to cancel the subscription first of all. Watch full this video. Okay, so let me just open it. So as you can see, we are into manage subscription page, and you have to simply click on cancel subscription page. Okay, and you have to click cancel. Okay, subscription has been cancelled. Now what you have to do, you just have to click no thanks, and you have to go back, return to cancel, return to cursor. As you can see, your subscription has been cancelled. Now what you have to do, you just have to go to setting, and you have to go down, and you have to simply click delete. Okay guys, here are the many developers and many guys do the same mistake. Okay, so this is the first step you have to strictly follow guys. Okay, this is the main step. Now see, second step is coming guys. Make sure to watch this full video. Okay, otherwise many guys will comment it out like this trick is not working and all. So now what you have to do, you have to create new account, developer Amazon. Okay, and you will get the email ID. I will post this into my description. I have already used this. Now let me use another. So let me use this. You have to click continue, and here you have to click on continue with email code. Okay, and you have to simply open this, and the email code will arrive here. So you have to wait, or you can click refresh. As you can see, we have received the OTP. Now you have to click here, and you have to just paste your OTP here. Now it's asking for as you can see, it's again asking for mobile number. So guys, I have already put my mobile number. So what I will do, I will click send verification code again with the same mobile number like previously I have used. Guys, this trick is working again and again. I have already used 7 to 8 with same mobile number. Okay, so let me use the OTP received on my mobile number. Okay, so as you can see, now it's guys, boom guys, we got the option of claim your free trial. Okay, now you have to click continue. Now this is also a free trick guys, just make sure to watch full video. Now you have to click card, and you will get all these details in description, and you have to go to this website. I will give you all the details. Now you have to note down 010129 767 full name on card. You can note down any name. Okay, and in country you have to type United States. Okay, and in address you can simply note down, in address you have to simply note down 69 Adams Street. In address America. Zip code, you can note down any zip code, that will be fine, and simply you have to click start free trial. Now you have to wait until it get processed. Okay guys, if you like this video and if this trick is work for you, then please subscribe our channel. As you can see guys, our pro trial has been started. You can see this. So guys, this way you can create unlimited cursor free trial with the same mobile number. You don't need to go any platform where you have to buy OTP and such things. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet you soon.